Welcome, futuristic logistics enthusiasts. Take a moment to think about everything you have ordered online in the last year. From your new gadgets to your groceries, each item travels through a complex journey, often starting and ending in a warehouse. But behind the scenes, these hubs are facing unprecedented challenges, exploring e-commerce, global supply chain disruptions, and the constant pressure for fast, cheaper delivery. The transitional warehouse, with its manual processes and human limitations, is reaching its breaking point. But what if there was a way to make these operations not just efficient but intelligent? What if we could predict demand, optimize every moment, and eliminate errors, all while working seamlessly with humans? Today, we are stepping into the future, exploring the revolutionary world of the AI-powered warehouse. So, what exactly is an AI-powered warehouse? It's not just about adding a few robots, it's about integrating artificial intelligence into every single facet of warehouse operations. Think of AI as the brain constantly learning, analyzing, and making decisions that optimize efficiency, accuracy, and safety. At its core, an AI powered warehouse leverages vast amount of data from sales figure and customer behavior to inventory level and even weather patterns to make intelligent, predictive decisions. It's about moving beyond reactive problem solving to proactive optimization. It's a system that does not just store products, it understands them, tracks them, and anticipates their next move. One of the most powerful applications of AI in the warehouse is its ability to predict the future. No, not with a crystal ball, but with sophisticated algorithms and vast data sets. There is whether predictive analytics and demand forecasting come into play. Imagine an AI that can analyze years of sales data, factor in seasonal trends, promotional campaigns, even external events like holidays or economic shifts to accurately predict what products will be needed and when. This means not more guessing games, no more overstocking expensive items, and crucially, no more running out of popular products, disappointing customers. AI can even optimize storage locations based on these predictions. Fast moving items are placed closer to shipping areas, while slower moving inventories is stored more efficiently. This isn't just about knowing what you have, it's about knowing exactly what you will need, where it should be, and ensuring it's ready for its journey. While AI provides the brain power, the physical execution often falls to its robotic counterparts. The AI powered warehouse is bustling with an army of automated helpers transforming every aspect of physical labor, from autonomous mobile robots or AMRs that effortlessly transport entire shelves or pallets across vast warehouse floors, to sophisticated picking robots that can precisely select individual items. These machines are dramatically increasing throughput and accuracy. They navigate using AI algorithms, constantly updating their routes to avoid obstacles and optimize movements. And it's not just about replacing human labor, it's about augmenting it. Robots handle repetitive, strenuous, or dangerous tasks, freeing human workers to focus on more complex problem solving, quality control, and customer service. These robots are constantly communicating with the central AI system, reporting their progress, battery levels, and even identifying potential issues. This seamless integration ensures a harmonized and highly efficient operation running 24/7 without fatigue. For AI to make intelligent decisions, it needs accurate, real-time information about its environment. This is where computer vision and the Internet of Things (IoT) become the eyes and ears of AI-powered warehouse. High-resolution cameras powered by AI can instantly identify products, verify their quantity, and even detect damage or defects with incredible accuracy. Imagine a system that can scan thousands of items per minute, ensuring every single package is exactly what it should be without human error. Beyond basic identification, computer vision can also monitor worker safety, detect misplaced items, and even analyze traffic patterns within the warehouse to optimize robot movement. Meanwhile, countless IoT sensors embedded in shelves, equipment, and even the products themselves collect data on everything from temperature and humidity to movement and location. This constant stream of data feeds into the AI, providing a comprehensive real-time digital twin of the entire operation, like the warehouse has a nervous system feeling and reacting to every change instantly. All these individual components, the predictive analytics, the robots, the sensors, need a central brain to orchestrate them. This is where advanced warehouse management system supercharged by AI come in. Thinking of the AI powered WMS as the conductor of massive orchestra. It takes all the data input, runs complex algorithms, and makes thousands of real-time decisions every second. When an order comes in, the AI doesn't just process it, it optimizes it. It determines the most efficient picking route for the robot, allocate tasks to the nearest available worker or machine, and even calculates the optimal packaging size and shipping methods. The system is constantly learning and adapting. If a robot's battery is low, the AI reroutes tasks. If there is an unprecedented surge in orders, it reallocates resources. This continuous optimization minimizes delays, reduces operational costs, and ensures that every package moves through the warehouse with unparalleled speed and precision. It's about creating a perfectly synchronized dance of technology and logistics. Now, some might worry that AI and automation will eliminate human jobs. But in the AI powered warehouse, the reality is far more nuanced and frankly empowering. AI isn't replacing human workers, it's transforming their role and elevating their capabilities. Humans are freed from the dull, dirty, and dangerous tasks. Instead, they become supervisors of robot fleet, data analysts, problem solvers, and quickly control experts. AI tools like augmented reality glasses can provide real-time picking instructions, guiding workers to the exact item and verifying it instantly, drastically reduce errors and training times. This shift leads to more engaging, less physically demanding and higher skilled jobs. The human element remains crucial for oversight, strategic decision makings, handling exceptions, and ensuring the smooth operations of these sophisticated systems. AI empower workers to be more productive, make better decisions, and contribute to a safer, more efficient work environment.
AI integration here has been remarkable. It's significantly reduced the physical strain on the team, boosting our overall productivity and job satisfaction.
The benefits of embracing AI in warehousing are simply transformative. For businesses, this isn't just about keeping up. It's about leaping ahead of the competition. We are talking about unprecedented efficiencies, with goods moved through the system faster than even before, significantly reduced operational cost from optimizing energy consumptions to minimizing labor expenses and drastically cutting down on costly errors. Near perfect accuracy in inventory management and order fulfillment, leading to happier customers and fewer returns. Beyond the numbers, there are improved worker safety as robots handle the most hazardous tasks and critically enhanced scalability and flexibility, allowing businesses to easily adapt to market fluctuations and peak seasons without massive overhauls. Ultimately, it all boils down to one thing: delivering on promises, delighting customers, and securing a sustainable, profitable future. Of course, no revolution comes without its challenges. Implementing an AI powered warehouse requires significant upfront investment, robust cybersecurity measures to protect sensitive data, and careful planning for integrating with existing systems. It's a complex undertaking that demands strategic visions, but the trajectory is clear. As technology continues to evolve, we'll see even more sophisticated AI model, more versatile and affordable robots, and seamless integration across global supply chain. Imagine warehouses that can perform predictive maintenance on their own robots, order spare parts before they even fail, or even collaborate with other warehouses in real time to optimize global shipping routes. The future holds warehouses that are not just smart but truly intelligent, anticipating needs, adapting to change, and operating with a level of precision and efficiency we could only dream of just a few years ago. We have journeyed into the heart of AI powered warehouse, a place where innovation isn't just buzzword but the driving force behind every operation. From anticipating demand to orchestrating robotic armies, AI is fundamentally reshaping how goods are stored, moved, and delivered. This isn't a distant science fiction fantasy. It's a rapidly approaching reality that promises to unlock unprecedented level of efficiency, cost saving, and customer satisfactions for business worldwide. The future logistics is intelligent, interconnected, and undeniable air power. What are your thoughts on the AI powered warehouse? Do you see it's an revolutionary leap, or do you have concerns? Let us know in the comment below. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the technology reshaping our world. Thank you for watching this video. I will come back with a new topic very soon, which is very informative and for day-to-day implementation. Thank you once again.